Jackass Chainsaw Massacre, first draft. The ketamine junkie Goose steps on the stage, waves a Zeig Heil as his followers rage. They drain from his teat every last lie, and then they beg him for more until the day that they die. Masochists love their humiliation while they're laying the bricks of his fascist nation. They'll sell their own children for his evil song, and then they won't give a damn because their hatred's too strong. Cut down a tree just to scorn every leaf. Cut off a leg just to scorn every toe. Cut at the neck just to scorn every hair. The Nuremberg orders from a billionaire. Countless lives, countless dreams, countless futures, countless, 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 countless. This team of racist, incel children, each hell-bent on destroying the world, pocketing spoils from the remaining rubble. Programmer imbeciles don't understand COBOL. Economy sinking like hourglass sands. Entire mountains now barren wastelands. Trees all fell, they've been carted away, and they're lining the coffers of the richest today. How on earth could you ever think that Mr. Apartheid, who never gave a dime, could ever give a damn about me or you? It's a massacre, jackass. How on earth could you ever think that the breaking everything that we hold dear could ever make a damn thing better for anyone? It's a massacre, jackass. Cut off a tree just to scorn every leaf. Cut off a leg just to scorn every toe. Cut at the neck just to scorn every hair. Those Nuremberg orders from a billionaire.